Good morning all of you. Today we will discuss about the solution of this question. First of all, we read this question at least 2 or more times. बेटा जब एग्जाम में कोई नया क्वेश्चन आएगा तो आपको उसे कम से कम 2-3 बार स्टडी करना है. ओके, यस और नो. Now we underline the keywords of this question. Okay, the LCM of the two numbers is 45 times their HCF. It means LCM of two numbers is 45 times of their HCF. Yes or no? And the sum of their LCM and HCF is 1150. Okay, so sum of their LCM and HCF is 1150. Yes or no? Now find the product of two numbers. ठीक है. So in solution, ठीक है, our first key line is the LCM of the two number is 45 times their HCF. It means LCM is equals to 45 times of HCF. Yes or no? That is equation number 1. Okay, now our second key line, sum of their LCM and HCF is 1150. It means sum of LCM and HCF is equals to 1150. Okay, so here we can write LCM plus HCF is equals to 1150. Yes or no? ठीक है. Here we put the value of LCM from equation first. So here using equation number first we replace LCM by 45 HCF. Yes or no? And plus HCF equals to 1150. Yes or no? 45 HCF plus 1 HCF, it gives 46 HCF. Okay, that is equals to 1150. Okay, here we apply ट्रांसपोजिशन रूल. ठीक है, ट्रांसपोजिशन रूल में क्या होता है, अगर कोई नंबर मल्टीप्लाई में और आप उसे LHS से RHS में शिफ्ट करेंगे तो वो डिवाइड में आ जाता है. यस और नो? सो हेयर वी कैन राइट HCF is equals to 1150 divided by 46. Yes or no? Here we divide numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Yes or no? 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1 1 5 15. 2 7s are 14. Remainder 1 1 0 10. 2 5s are 10. Yes or no? Okay, here we divide one more time. 23 1 ja 23. Okay, 23 2 ja 46. So 22 2 ja 46. 57 minus 46, it gives 11, and we can write 5. So 115. Yes or no? 23 can be written as 20 plus 3. 25 ja 100 and 3 5 ja 15. It means 100 plus 15, 115. So 23 5 ja 115. Yes or no? So here we get our HCF is equals to 25. Yes or no? Okay, now we put the value of HCF in equation number first, and we get the value of value of LCM. Yes or no? So from equation number 1, okay, LCM is equals to 45 times of HCF. We put the value of HCF, that is 25. Yes or no? So here we multiply 25 5 ja 125. 125 ka 5 carry 12. 25 4 ja 100. 100 plus 12 112. Yes or no? So our LCM is equals to 1125. Yes or no? Okay. Now we find the product of two numbers. Okay. What is the, we know that what is the relationship between LCM and HCF? That is equals to LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. Yeah, numbers. Okay, so here we can write LCM, that is equals to 1125 into HCF, that is also equals to 25 equals to product of numbers. Yes or no? So here we can find the value of product of numbers by multiplying 1125 into 25. Yes or no? So here 25 5 ja 125 ka 5 carry 12. 25 2 ja 50. 50 plus 12 it means 62. 62 ka 2 carry 6. 25 बन जा 25. 25 plus 6 31 का 1 carry 3. 25 बन जा 25. 25 plus 3 28. Yes or no? So our final answer is product of two numbers is equals to 28,125. Okay, that's it.